Today, we are going to meet with Blake and Selby McDowell. There they are right there, babe.
Hello. Coming from your parents' house?
Yeah.
I love that. What's up, man?
That's amazing.
Good to see you.
I know. We love it. Are you freezing?
Yeah, it's a little cold.
Here, take my jacket.
Yes, Dave, give her your jacket.
My name is Selby McDowell. This is my husband, Blake.
We've been married for 6 years and live in downtown Bentonville, Arkansas.
We love working on historic homes. What needs to happen out here?
Just a overall refresh. You see a lot of rotten wood.
Yep.
Siding is kind of chipping away.
You can see like how that paint is cracking up there. That's probably a good sign of lead. So we'll have to do a lead test. And if there is lead, then we'll have to do an abatement first.
What about the roof?
It probably needs to be replaced.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell you the last time it was.
The other thing I think we have to do is give you a better front porch. Once we get rid of all these hedges, this is going to be a great spot for you to sit out in the morning, watch everybody walk by.
We love the porch living life.
Okay.
We're gonna get along just great.
Come on in.
This is the living room area.
So what are you guys thinking?
We definitely want to vault the ceilings.
Raising the ceiling makes it feel so much bigger.
Oh my
It
gosh.
gives it like breathing room. What about the floors? What are you guys hoping to see?
Definitely wood, no carpet.
I feel like it needs, old
Yeah.
style, like the
Yes, this-
narrower
Yeah.
oak strip, like something that looks historic.
What about paint colors?
I mean, we'd really like to see it brighten up in here. So
Okay.
maybe white.
And that'll make it feel bigger too if it's lighter in here. Perfect, okay. So raise the ceiling, open up the vault, replace the flooring, paint, get new lighting.
Sounds great.
Okay,
Okay,
so now
Kitchen.
kitchen? I'm here, so I'm just going
Okay,
for it.
yeah.
Yes.
My goodness, this is very, very small. It's an
is.
efficiency kitchen.
Yeah.
Yes.
The kitchen isn't very functional.
What do you want this kitchen to look like overall?
We really like more natural wood versus painted.
Well, and that's actually more expensive to do wood, like stained cabinetry, but this is a teeny tiny kitchen, so the good news is we might be able to afford it. What are you guys planning to spend on the renovation?
We're thinking up to about $210,000.
All right, that's healthy. So it's gonna have to be a galley. We'll open it up as much as we can to the living room, all the same flooring throughout the house, which will
Yep.
make it all feel bigger and cohesive. We will give you wood cabinetry, new appliances, countertops, tile, backsplash, and of course, new lighting.
Sounds great.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
What's this room?
This is like a mud room, sunroom.
Wait, you said there's 2 bedrooms right now
Yes.
in this hall. Should we go look at those?
Yeah.
So it's up front.
Yes.
Okay, so you got just a small little bedroom, small bathroom. So this could be Phoebe's space. And then this is your bedroom?
Yes.
Well, you could about touch wall to wall. You know?
Almost.
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't.
Maybe get a twin in here.
These bedrooms are minuscule.
Let's talk about your bedroom, your bathroom, what you would like to see.
Bigger, less of this color.
Yes.
Bigger and less of this color.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
We need a main bathroom as well. A bigger bathroom where you can't take a shower, sit on the toilet, and brush your teeth at the same time like it currently is set up.
This wall bumps up to that sunroom. So if we take this wall out, we can combine those 2 rooms and create a main suite.
That sounds great.
So your bedroom looks out to your backyard, which is nice.
Yeah, that is nice. And
We have
then you
Phoebe's room up front.
A
We have a
bathroom for guests.
guest
Yeah.
bathroom, living.
Okay. What about in your bathroom? Do you want a tub, a shower?
Probably
Like,
gonna just be a shower.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we'll try to do a closet as well. And then in the bedroom, obviously carry the flooring in. So the plan for this bedroom and the sunroom is to turn it into the main suite. So we will get you new flooring, we'll paint, create a bathroom with a shower, tile, vanity, of course, all new lighting, making it all feel light and bright and as open as possible.
Yes.
Even though it's small, we'll make it feel bigger.
Holy cow, that's in there. I can see why. It's all tongue and groove, 3/4 inch tongue and groove. We're trying to break through, so you can't. We just have to cut through it. They just used to build things a lot differently. That right there just makes for a really strong house.
Oh, there's a chimney.
Oh, it's so cute. Can we open all of this and then leave the fireplace exposed?
I mean, we
Kinda
gotta
like
make
Derek-
sure it's structural all the way down, but
Yeah, like at the Welcome Inn, how we have all those old chimneys showing
Yeah.
the brick. It's just like that. I love that.
so
Let's
Yeah, I
open it
think we
up.
try to salvage it.
100%.
All right, let's go see if that chimney goes all the way down.
All right, I'm coming down.
I feel brick.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah, boys.
This is so pretty.
Holy cow, that's bigger than I thought.
We're now uncovering it, basically just restoring history. It's not gonna be functional, but it still adds so much to the space. I think it's absolutely worth keeping and exposing. It's just gonna be awesome.
Most of the demo is happening inside. We were able to lift those ceilings and give the appearance of more space. In their backyard, we're demoing the old decking. It's a lot of work.
But
It's okay. It's
it's
worth
gonna
it.
be awesome when it's done.
Saving an old house.
Job. Oh, we leave them hanging. Okay. We had to completely strip this house down because of the lead paint, so all the siding's gone. Demo is done inside, and now we are slowly making our way back up.
We got a new door being framed in for the new main bathroom. We've started work building a new back deck, and it's got a brand new roof. This is not a big house, so we need to do anything we can to capitalize on space. Back deck, great, but if it's a covered back deck, now all of a sudden you've got 3 seasons to use this space.
Yes.
So we're gonna have a really cool vaulted ceiling there. Tim and I are just finishing up putting the structural screws, structural ties in, so we can close this thing in and
Yeah.
move forward with siding.
This looks amazing.
Getting there.
So good.
I want to get this thing done so I can get the heck off this roof. We got to move fast. So the guys are doing incredibly. They are getting this roof done really quickly. So glad that we've replaced it. We've got venting on the roof now, so we won't get any warping. It just needed to happen. I think we just beat it. We did it. We beat it. All right, let's finish putting these in.
At the McDowell home, we're finishing up a lot of last-minute things that need to happen before we're completely done with this house. The new front porch is coming together. The cedar posts add a lot of warmth to the house, and I think they're gonna use this all the time.
You know what is amazing to me is how a fence can make such a big difference. I think Jenny's gonna love it. That's all that matters.
Oh, wow.
There it is.
It's beautiful.
That looks great.
It looks amazing. Hi, guys. Hello.
Well,
Good to see you.
Welcome back home.
This is so beautiful.
yes.
Right away, I'm already in
Yeah,
love.
this is incredible.
Very cottagey.
Yes, exactly.
Love that. Those bushes are gone. That's
Yes,
fantastic.
yes.
Smaller now.
Yeah.
And of course now have a front porch. Before, you remember you had to go up the side. It was a
Oh,
little
yeah.
weird. So now we have the walkway right up to your front porch.
The roof is brand new. The fence, the siding.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is so beautiful.
This is amazing. Look at the brick exposed for fireplace
that's so
there.
cool. I love the beams.
Yeah.
This is so neat.
I know you guys wanted this to feel a little bit more modern inside, so I thought the cross beams doing just a different style would be kind of fun.
But it still has references to a cottage
Yes,
feel.
exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really like that.
And of course, the ceilings are high.
I can't touch the ceiling right now.
Exactly, exactly. And yes, we found this original chimney, so we left that exposed brick because
Love
it's
that.
original. And I love the feel it gives to the room. It just feels so cozy in
Yeah.
here. The other thing we did on the floor, we also created this walnut border around the room,
Oh,
just
wow.
for
Yeah.
another little something interesting. And it feels like it would be original to the house. It's not, but it feels like that.
Great.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. This is beautiful.
You really opened it up.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, I love the
Yes.
natural wood.
Yeah, I love the wood.
And the brick is still in here too.
It feels bigger somehow.
Yeah, it does. It feels a lot bigger.
Even though it's the same square footage, it's open to the living room and it feels a lot bigger.
It does,
Yes.
yeah. I know you guys love natural wood, so that's why we did the natural wood cabinets. And you also wanted a little bit modern. So this is handmade tile by Rainey, who actually made the tile at your parents' house on the front steps. So she made the tiles.
I love the dark contrasting with the white.
Yes.
And then same over here too.
Yes.
I really like that. I love that it's handmade too.
Yes.
That's special.
Okay, so let's check out your bathroom next. Okay,
do
so
it.
it's down the hall. We'll follow you.
Go right.
All right, second door on your left.
Oh,
my goodness. Look at that.
that shower.
I did not expect to see a shower in here.
No,
honestly.
this is incredible.
Yeah.
Hey,
I don't know how you were able to do this in such a small space.
magic.
It was that small bedroom before, so we were able to make a nice bathroom, the closets, and then the unused space that was kind of your random laundry room is the new bedroom.
That's great.
You wanna check it out?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Whoa, wow.
Wow. The wood walls.
So pretty.
That's cool. Is it stained like that, or did you like burn it, or how did you do that?
Burned it.
Really?
Did? Wow.
That's
What's it
awesome.
So cool.
It's called shosugiban.
It's an ancient method of burning cedar wood. It gives just texture and it just feels really unique and again has a little bit of a modern touch.
I really like it. I mean, it's modern, but also the natural look that we were
Yes,
going for.
yes.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, and we were able to vault this room
Yeah.
so it's not
right.
so low like the other one.
I mean, it actually does feel like a pretty good sized bedroom, really, for how small the whole house is. And you have tons of natural light coming in, which is
Yes.
awesome. Now, you remember this had the laundry in it, so we moved the laundry, and then we also still have to go see your backyard, because that's a big part of this space that you're gonna use a lot. So let's check out the laundry and then go out back.
All right, we'll follow you guys.
do it.
All right. Okay, so here is your laundry room.
Oh, wow.
this is nice.
This is so nice.
This laundry room, it's not big, but it has everything you need. You've got your washer and dryer, you've got storage throughout.
Yes.
The paint color, I color matched it off of one of Rainey's tiles so that these two spaces really tie in nicely together. It's not just white in here. Gives you a little oomph.
I love that you guys left the windows
Yes.
unblocked because before the washer and dryer was.
They were
Yeah.
blocking
Right.
it, so yeah, this now works better.
Yes.
Okay, so we know you're gonna spend a lot of time outside here. The backyard is very important, so let's go check it out.
Let's do it. I'm excited for this. Wow.
So beautiful. This is massive.
Yeah, this is amazing.
A little different, right?
Yes.
The covered porch obviously was necessary, so now you have this space that you can really use a lot. 10 months of the year, you can be out here.
Yeah.
So you have plenty of space for just hanging out, you have a spot to eat. It really is a multifunctional space, and because you have such a small house, this is where you want to be anyway, and you want to have people stopping by, walking over, popping over to the backyard. I mean, I just see you guys using this a lot.
Yes. This is exactly what we were envisioning.
I love the ceilings.
Very livable out here.
Yeah, it
Yes. All right, so I feel like we should call your parents. I mean, just so we can use the two-way radio again.
Let's do it.
Let's tell them to come over.
Dave and Jenny are all in the details. We felt like everything we asked for was met and then some, and so they just really exceeded our expectations.
Mom, Dad, hey.
guys. Hey. Wow.
Before, the house was not practical. It was not safe for our daughter, and now it's amazing. And we can't wait to have our daughter play in that backyard and have our friends over. Phoebe, what do you think? You like that?